Peopletrail is a CRA, or a consumer reporting agency. So we offer background screening, employment screening to businesses. Any type of screening that they might need, whether it be medical, physical exams, or we run the gamut. So we're kind of a one-stop shop for any type of employment screening they may be looking for. Looking at the numbers and looking at the data, 45% of all resumes contain one fabrication or outright lie. 33% of employees have admitted to stealing, and 18% of all violent crime happens while at work. So a lot of these numbers and statistics show that there is a great need for background screening, and employers are focusing on background screening to help keep their workplace safe. I've been in the industry for a long time. I've been working, doing background checks in sales and had a lot of customers, worked for the largest company in the industry, in fact. A lot of my customers weren't satisfied. When I'd bring them in, they'd go into a call center. Whoever answered the phone would be working with them, and so that created problems for me. It was uncomfortable, and so I really felt that there was a better way to do things. So I had an opportunity to start my own company. And when I came into that, we started in humble beginnings, but I wanted to make sure that our customers had a place that they could go to really get answers and be serviced, and that the human touch was available to them. The human touch is really a dying breed. Customer service is going away, and I think a lot of people are depending again on technology to handle things when people need to be a part of the process. And we're finding that all over the place. So people are always woven into the process of our compliance, of our credibility, of the very nature of the business that we have.
Garff has been in business for 85 years. We're located in 6 states. There's 52 what we would call rooftops, which consist of some variety of sales, service, parts, body work. A pretty big footprint for us. The human touch to us is incredibly important. It was one of the things we maybe found lacking in other companies. We actually initially, before Peopletrail, went with a larger company, and they did everything great, but that really was what was missing, was the personal touch. It was delayed phone calls or difficult to get a hold of somebody. Our mission, our charge is always to make it easy, transparent, simple, enjoyable. That extends, those same principles extend into what we do with our employees. And so as we researched and tried to build some relationships with different testing companies, many of them have been very good, we weren't getting that necessarily, or we'd get most of it but not all of it, and it was important to us. And so as we interacted with Peopletrail, we recognized in them each of those things.
Arbiter is kind of a really unique company. We primarily assign officials to athletic contests all over the United States. We provide a platform to train them and also to pay them on behalf of the conferences and users of our services. Well, one of the things that kind of differentiates us from lots of other folks is our relationship with Peopletrail. We utilize their service to integrate into our system to do background checks on officials for these athletic events.
There's probably, 3,500 to 4,000 other CRAs out there that are doing the same thing that we're doing. And really, we all get our information from the same place. So it's about what we do with that information. And if you look at it, the accredited firms, there's less than 2% of the industry of those 4,500 companies that are accredited through any PBS. And Peopletrail prides itself on being accredited, making sure that we are doing what we say we are doing. And we have inside, outside auditors that watch that and make sure that we're in compliance with the processes and the things that we're going through to actually make that experience for our customer a compliant one.
Working with an accredited background company was important to us. We wanted to know that the data they were providing was verifiable, that somebody else was putting their stamp of approval to say this is the best of the best. This is the best available. Again, when your goal is to provide the best service to a customer, you want that from the best people, and this helps us to do that.
The real value add in using Peopletrail is that we can talk to them if there are challenges that come up, such as someone says, well, wait a minute, that's not me. The Peopletrail understand that real quickly. They work with the clients to address those concerns. They have a very quick and easy process to go through to file a issue if you have with them, and they resolve it very quickly. So for our customers at ArbiterSports, that's very key for them because they're looking to get those officials assigned really quickly. Our clients have been with us for many of them 20 and 30 years. They expect us to provide quality level of service. Knowing that we have a partner like Peopletrail behind us providing this background check capability is something that we can share with our clients and provide them that same level of trust that they have in us, they should have in Peopletrail as well.
In them, we just have a partner who's always working to give us a better product and give us a better service. And that's a valuable thing.
It's been nice to see how, the application of the human touch and the application of what we're doing with our customers is actually providing growth with our customers. I mean, our goal really hasn't been to go out and just win all these businesses. Our goal in the beginning really has been to focus on customer service. And what comes from that has been this explosive growth, which is kind of cool to see. So we welcome companies of any size to give us a try and visit our website at www.peopletrail.com, or they can give us a call and we can set up and schedule a demo at 866-223-8822.